Sugar for everyone to see. And while waiting, anyone from you guys who want to say direct daw? Ayan, direct.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Thank you for being here. Ang inaabangan ng lahat, ipapasa ko na yung mikropono sa... It's such an honor and privilege to work with Viva Films. Ang Viva Films, hindi lang siya pundasyon, but really one of the pioneers in Philippine cinema. Pero it's so refreshing na ang Viva Films, siya rin yung nagli-lead ng new wave at nagbibigay ng oportunidad para sa amin, mga mas maliliit na mga producers and storytellers. So unang-una, thank you to our partners Viva. Maraming salamat po. To work with these actors, these brilliant actors. And sa galing ni Mon, sa galing ni Cindy, sa galing ni Angela, sa galing ni Elijah Canlas, yung talagang napakalaking pribilehiyo ay yung isang tao na nung nasa film school ako ay pinapanood at hinahangaan ko. At I'm excited for everyone to see Richard Gomez again in the big screen. Sabi ko nga, isang tao na nabibiyayaan na napakagaling na atleta, napaka-outspoken na public servant, pero pag nakita nyo, maaalala nyo yung galing na talagang binigay sa ating regalo, yung Richard Gomez for cinema, the last of the great movie actors. No? So, I'll pass on the mic. I hope you enjoyed the movie. Sana ho, pag nagustuhan nyo yung pelikula, ay makwento nyo sa mga kasamahan nyo. Pero again, it's been a privilege to work with such talented actors and of course, especially be part of the comeback movie of Richard Gomez. Kong.
Thank you so much for the kind words, Direk. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat and thank you for coming to watch Salvage Land. Natutuwa ako na nandito yung mga friends natin, nandito yung mga press people, familiar faces. I'm happy that we chose to do Salvage Land together with Elijah, Mont, Confiado, Cindy, and Angela. No? Thank you so much to our writers, Shugo, and kay Direk. And thank you so much to Rain Entertainment and Viva Films. Tonight, you'll be seeing a wonderful film, no? It's a timeless movie, pero yung mga pangyayari, nangyayari sa present time. So, hindi ko kayo, ang tawag doon? Hindi ko kayo spoil, but I want you to enjoy this movie. Thank you so much. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Thank you. Ibibigay ko yung microphone ngayon kay Elijah Canlas. Come on, Elijah. Come on. Ito yung bagong generation ng mga artista. Ang galing. So he is Elijah Canlas.
Sabi ko nga, when I grow up, I wanna be like Kong Richard. No, pero good evening po to everyone. Thank you so much for joining us. To all our friends from the press, all the fans and supporters, our families and friends. This means the world to us, lalo po sa akin and sa lahat ng mga tao na nagsikap sa harap at likod ng camera. Importante po yung kwento ng Salvage Land, lalo sa bansa natin. Kaya hindi na rin ako magsuspoil. Enjoy na lang po. It's gonna be my first time to watch this film as well. And I'm excited to see it kasi grabe yung pinaghirapan namin while working on this. Kaya enjoy the movie watching experience. And sana po, please help us promote Salvage Land in cinemas tomorrow na po yan nationwide. Thank you guys. Sino gusto magsalita next? O go, Angela. Hindi, ano ba? Bato-bato pick kayo.
Ayan, to my Viva family, to Rain Entertainment family, to all na bumuo ng Salvage Land, maraming salamat. Sa mga taong nandito, sumusuporta, at tumutulong na nagpo-promote, maraming salamat po. And hopefully, pagkatapos ng pelikula, pag-uwi natin, sana magkaroon ng application, ng reflection, and of course, ng word of mouth. Yes, and maraming salamat po.
Hi everyone! Ang gusto ko lang po sabihin, masaya po ako na nandito po ako ngayon at part po ako ng pelikulang ito. Yun lang po yung masasabi ko. Sana ma-enjoy niyo po yung film. Thank you.
Magandang gabi po at maraming salamat for being here. It's an honor to be part of this film. At sana kung magustuhan nyo, tulungan nyo kaming ma-promote pa para mas marami pang makanood. Thank you. Direk Shugo?
Hindi ko na po matatagalin pa. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta. Tomorrow, November 26, Salvage Land, ikalat po natin sa social media. Sana po supportahan natin ang pelikulang Pilipino.
There you have it. Congratulations to Team Salvage Land.
And it's time for another photo op. Okay, closer. Ayan, pwede na po tayo mag-picture sa ating cast, writer, and director.